So this is a beautiful piece of art which I have made just now. Of course the tutorial is going to be live very soon. So बहुत से लोगों की query थी कि how to use the metallic waxes, and I just thought of coming live quickly. Now this is a beautiful piece of art. You can see it has a hook behind it. You can use this as a wall frame, and this Ganesha is a resin embellishment what I have used here. It just in case if you guys have not checked out our website, do check that, where we have all of these supplies on sale. And yes, now coming back to the metallic waxes, a lot of you have been asking me कि metallic waxes कैसे use करते हैं, how to use it, what are the ways of using it. So I just thought of coming live and sharing my tip and tricks with the metallic waxes. Now please do share this session as much as you can. That's going to be a great help. Now as you can already see that I have this wall frame ready. Tutorial, of course, you guys are going to see this live very soon on our Facebook page and even on our YouTube channel. And so these are the 3 shades which are used prominently, but you can use any of these shades. So this is how the metallic waxes look like. Okay, this is like very thick. आप ऐसे हाथ मारोगे ना तो stick नहीं होगा, but you can have, if you rub your fingers तो आपके हाथ में metallic waxes आएंगे. Okay, so I'm just going to highlight my Ganesha with my metallic waxes. I hope my screen is clear. Just in case if you are unable to see that, let me know in the comment section. So मैंने already मेरे Ganesha पे chalk paint, gold foiling work, black gesso किया है, but then I just wanted to highlight it a little more. And for highlighting here, I'm using my metallic waxes. So metallic wax use करने का, there are like 2 ways. Either you can use it directly with your fingers, or you can even use your paint brushes. I prefer using it with my fingers. And yeah, like I always say, it is super easy to just give a nice border and edgy look. Now let me just zoom in this a little bit. Now can you see, यहाँ पे ये frame is plain, यहाँ पे I have just given a little border to it. So this looks like a nice complete Indian theme frame. Now can you see this border, right? So मैंने base में already what I have done is a chalk paint. So whatever the supplies I'm using here are there on our website at growingcraft.com. You guys can check that. Okay, so this is how I highlight my edges with the help of my metallic waxes. Now you can see पहले ये पूरा plain brown दिख रहा था, like bluish दिख रहा था. Now it is actually looking like one piece of art because I am using my similar color of metallic wax. So there are a lot of shades available. Now just to make it a little more lighter, यहाँ पर मैं use करूँगी मेरा gold metallic wax. Now can you see the look and feel? Right, this looks absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. So yes, you guys can use your metallic waxes. अगर आपके पास नहीं है metallic waxes, do check that on our website at growingcraft.com. Okay, and see this, I'm literally like transforming this simple piece of art in a beautiful frame. So this is how you can do it. अब थोड़ा सा और highlight करने के लिए what I'm going to do is, ये जो भी हमारे edges है ना, like here I have already highlighted, I'll highlight these edges also just to give it a nice frame look and break the monotony. जो भी हमारा background का pattern है, I just need to break the monotony of that. Okay, so I'm just creating a nice border around it. Okay, and we are done. So I really hope you guys could relate to what your metallic waxes can do. Like I said, I have 3 shades. There are a lot of shades available. You can check all of them on our website. Do share this session. Do watch out our Facebook page for the tutorial. इसका tutorial बहुत ही जल्दी हमारे Facebook page and YouTube channel दोनों पे आने वाला है. So do check that. Let me just show you a quick glimpse of this artwork. So this looks absolutely gorgeous and beautiful, right? This looks amazing. So यहाँ पे I have done the color blending. You can check that with the stencil. And like I said, whatever we are using are there on our website. You guys can check that. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and take care and bye bye.